What's up, y'all? As you can see, we're on the side of the road. Truck has been shaking. Triangles are out. Yeah, it's been quite a day. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the Brandon Brews channel. As you see, I am at home. I gotta tell y'all, give y'all an update what's been going on, because I actually been at home since Saturday, and today is Wednesday. Saturday, was it Saturday or Friday? I think it was Saturday. The co-driver called me, who I share the truck with. He called me and said that the truck was not shifting out of second gear, and he noticed that it had an air leak. And I said, wow, make sure you call roadside and call the fleet manager and see what they say. So I kind of knew, and he had a load, so he wasn't able to deliver the load. But not only that, when I heard him saying what it was, of course it's not giving air. There's not air going to the transmission for it to shift gears. That's how a semi works. And I just kind of knew, like, yeah, you probably gonna have to get that towed. And so I think my fleet manager thought that it could get fixed on the side of the road, and I was like, nah, that sounds like something that's more internally. And which it was. The guy couldn't fix it, so they towed it. And I think that was Saturday, so they towed it, and I guess they didn't do any work over the weekend, so they towed it. Monday, I didn't hear anything, and Monday is like my Friday. So yesterday was my off day. I'm off Tuesdays and Wednesdays. But this week in particular, I wanted to work Wednesday through Sunday. So I'm due to work, but I can't. So today, the truck has got fixed, and they are sending me to pick it up. But I'm not working today. I'm just going to pick it up and bring it back home, because I have to take it to get serviced. It's just a lot, y'all. And I like the part that I still get paid something, because we get paid breakdown pay. I think it's like $240 or $250 a day. So they make sure you get your minimum guarantee when a truck is broken down. So that's good, because you still get a check. Because, yeah. But part of me is just like, can we just get rid of this truck and get a new truck? Because this truck has been causing so many problems. When I first got here, I think the first week I had to take it to the dealer to get work done. And then it's like every month that it's something that breaks. So it's an old truck. So I'm not going to work today. Technically, I am working partially, because I'm doing something involving the job. So they're paying me for today. But then tomorrow I have to take it to Indianapolis, Zionsville, for its e-service. So, yeah, it's just a lot. So I technically probably will be back to work on Saturday. We'll see how that goes. I'm praying and hoping when I go get the truck that it runs correctly, that they actually did fix what they needed to fix. So right now I'm waiting on my Uber to pick me up, and we're going to go pick it up from the shop. I'll get back with you guys when I get to the shop. All right, y'all, I am in the truck. They say it's fixed. We're going to see. I don't have any of my phone holders or anything, because I wasn't trying to do that. I was just trying to drive the truck home so I can get back home. But they said that the main, I guess it's the connection that gives the truck its airflow. They had to replace that. So that's what was out. I kind of knew that already. But, yeah, hoping and praying we don't have to put this back in the shop. And, yeah, I originally actually picked up the truck from here, because I think originally when I first got the truck, they replaced the alternator. But, yeah, it's been quite the journey So tomorrow morning, I'm going to get up around probably 3:30. Indianapolis is on Eastern Standard Time. I think my fleet manager said get there before 9. But we're going to see. I'm going to see if I just need to be there at 7 or if I could get there at 8. I just want to see what she has to say. What's up, y'all? As you can see, we're on the side of the road. Truck has been shaking. Triangles are out. Yeah, it's been quite a day. So I took the truck to our terminal to get its PM or E service. Spent all day there. Finally got out, started driving down on the highway, and the truck started acting weird. Start jerking. Start slowing down, actually. So I got in the right lane. And when it did that, I was like, I'm going to get off on the next exit. But it didn't even give me a chance to get off on the next exit. The truck lost power, turned off. It didn't lose power, but the engine cut. RPMs went to 0. So I was able to pull over safely. Was able to start it back up. And then it went right back off.
30-minute warning.
Then it started back up. No, it did start back up after that. So called roadside, and we were discussing that it could be the fuel filter, the fuel filter. And I told her, I said, okay, but I said I know that fuel filter is on the left side, on the driver's side. And as you see how fast these trucks are going, and not everyone is getting over. So I said, nah, I'm down for the count. There's no way I'm about to open this engine and go on the left side of the truck. I'm not doing that. And I even sitting here, the truck keeps moving, and I've been praying because I'm not trying to be fearful, but like I've seen accidents and people just like running into you just being on the side and not paying attention. And so I just had to speak the blood of Jesus around me until we get this towed. So I'm going to get towed back to Indianapolis. I'm 70 miles away from home, and I'm like 50 miles away from where the terminal is. And it looks like I probably will be staying in Indianapolis tonight, and they'll probably give me a hotel. And I did not plan my day like this, man. I just knew I was going to get back home tonight. And yeah, it sucks. It really sucks because this truck has really been out of commission for since Friday. And I'm only getting my minimum guarantee. And yeah, I thank God that I am. But I wanted to make the last 2 checks. I actually wanted to make. I had a goal for those 2 checks, and actually my last 3 checks, I actually been restricted because of this truck. And so I'm like, we need to get rid of this, get us into something else. And what's really crazy is how 2 people use this truck. So when it's down, 2 people are not working. And so I'm just like, why not put us in another truck? It was driving perfectly fine when I came down here this morning. Got up at 4 a.m. No, I got up at 3 a.m. So yeah, this is some of the things you do go through when you are trucking. Coming up a year, and I have never actually been on the side of the road. So I thank God for that. Never had a blowout, never had a tire blow or anything like this. This is the first time actually. So, yeah. So we just gonna rock it out until the tow truck comes. Tow truck should be getting here any minute. They said 60 minutes, and it's been 60 minutes. So, but just to see how fast these people drive, y'all see that? And you see the truck moving? And it's even worse because I don't have a trailer. I'm bobtail and I'm a day cab, so I'm feeling everything. But hopefully I can pick y'all back up when the tow truck gets here. I'll show y'all a little some of that, and then we'll get on with the get on. I'm tired and hungry though. Y'all got something to eat? I need some snacks. And this is the thing, I'm a local driver. I just knew I was going home tonight. I just knew, like, I ain't bring no clothes. I don't have no toothbrush. I don't have nothing with me. Like, literally nothing. I have my bag that I brought. I brought my MacBook, my iPad, my Kindle, because I just knew it was going to take a while I was waiting. But had I known something like this would happen, most definitely would have had an overnight bag and brought some snacks. I got tacos at home, y'all. I made tacos 2 days ago. And I was gonna finish them. I was just thinking about that when I was driving. It's like, yeah, I'm going home and finish my tacos. But we count it all joy. We count it all joy. It's not the end of the world. Things happen. And so we just have to go with the flow. So I could be mad, but hey, they need to get me off the side of this highway though. Because I don't like it. It's a see, look, you can feel them. Y'all see that? Every time these move, that means the truck is moving. I just want to get up from the side. Even being outside when I had to put the triangles out, I was just like, yeah, it's a whole different type of situation. Like, I've seen people on the side of the road, but to be on there, you're just like, nah. Let me let y'all see this one. And you see how some people are not even getting over. He had room to get over. So it's just like, and now okay, that's weird. Did y'all hear that? That was his tires on the median. But he couldn't get over on the left side. But all right, y'all. Talk to you later. At least the view is kind of decent. This is what's on my right side.